in Costa Rica. I'm enjoying the sunshine and the warm weather so far. Today we are in San Juan, so I haven't stepped out since I got in, but just a quick night in San Juan before heading to La Fortuna today. Gonna go get some breakfast and eat before we get on the road. But here is Angel. Say hi.
Hey y'all, what up? Deja and I are like day and night. I got on a whole sundress.
It's very different vibes here.
And Deja got on, but it's okay because I have my walking attire and all that good stuff too. But hey,
Great.
we didn't know what to expect.
Yeah, so we just did whatever we felt we wanted to do in our spirit. So that's what you do when you travel. Whatever comes to you, comes to you.
Here you are.
So we're about to go eat and enjoy our first day. I'm just so excited to have a good time. All right, catch you guys later. Just finished our brunch at this restaurant. We'll be leaving San Juan now, but it was a nice little morning here so far. And now we're headed to our next destination. I think this is our Uber. Okay, just kidding. Maybe it isn't.
But you can see the face. Watching in the sky, the rest of the body.
Yeah. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, pretty nice.
Yeah.
And the other mountain in the other side is another old volcano.
Yay! Oh, this is the bar. This is one of them.
We didn't even go to the locker. Well, we can put our stuff on the side if nobody's leaving.
Oh, we made it. This is Paradise Hot Springs. So it's a hotel and then they have like a hot spring area. It only rained for like 3 minutes. And then it was back regular. But we finally made it here and I am just excited to get inside of some water now after our adventures today. How are you enjoying your first day? Costa Rica.
It's going good.
Yes.
Had a couple hiccups there with our transpo,
Yes.
but we got it worked out.
But here we are. Finally made it. Nice,
We're here now.
relaxing hot spring. We're at
It
Paradise.
feels really good.
It's relaxing. Like it's just nice to sit down. There's like some other spots over there. For now, we are chilling. Gracias.
Asking what this is.
Mixed fruit, probably.
Something's gonna make my stomach hurt.
I am tired after that sauna. Like, all I wanted to do was just fall asleep.
That's not a pool.
Yeah, that sauna pool literally just relaxed me. Muy tranquilo. Yeah, I'll just say tranquilo because relaxing is like relajado. I don't know. Anyway, but yeah. I have never seen a Papa John's truck before. But this is our first meal of the day.
Queso, or no, not queso, but garlic and pepperoncini.
Oh, see.
Okay.
Pepperoncini. And then right next to us are these precious little, I forgot how to say this in Spanish. It was like cabaro something, I don't know. So on today's agenda, after we get lunch, we're getting picked up from our Airbnb and they're gonna take us to the volcano to do a hiking tour. So right now we're getting our food. This is our first lunch of today and this is looking so good. Yes. Papa John's food truck.
Around this area, we can find more these, the three toes. Higher elevations, you can find both, but mostly the two toes, which it looks different. Yeah, but it's
Oh, I see it through my camera. Okay, that's the sloth that we see is balled up like a little nest. Oh, its head moves! Okay. We made it to the peak.
right at the base. Yeah, yeah, exactly. It looks like a butt. Yep. From different angles. Right? Yeah.
Then there's the Arenal Lake. Buenas tardes. We are at La Fortuna Waterfall. We just got to the entrance, so we are gonna spend our day exploring. Super excited to see the main attraction, like one of the main attractions of the La Fortuna area. It is beautiful weather, feels really good. I got like a light backpack here. I was wondering if there was gonna be just like a waterfall and then nothing else, but there's like a nice little welcome center, bathroom, stuff like that. So seems like definitely a great final day for us, full day. Tomorrow I head out, so really got to spend the full day here. It closes at 5, so up nice and promptly today, and yeah, gonna enjoy our time here. It is so beautiful. We just got done taking some pictures. You can feel the nice breeze. It was about like 15, not even 15, I feel like it was like 10 minutes to get down here. But yeah, we made it. Like, I can't believe I'm like actually here seeing La Fortuna Waterfall. It is just so nice. Yeah, it is very beautiful, and I'm glad I can be a part of the nature today and just enjoy my surroundings. So we got some good photos, and now we're about to head down. Go, Deja. Okay, the fish are literally like right by my feet. See, there they are. When I watch, they leave. I'm among the fish. I'm among the nature. Entrada in a natural. I'm in the natural. I don't know. Yay! Got your water shoes. Yay. I do. I got my water shoes because we are in here. Looking cute tonight. Okay, boots. Here's me. Right, we out. What is it? Hey. What's the name of this restaurant?
This is Spectacular.
Okay, we're at Spectacular Cantina. We got some football playing. I'm starving like Marvin. I'm glad every time I eat, I'm actually like really hungry. So we got some good pictures done. I'm actually wearing some heels. And I'm about to take some more selfies.
No, it's not possible to make a difference.
Oh, okay.
The burger is just really the same.
Okay.
The rest
Well, that's fine. I'll do that. For you.
burger. Chicken also or regular?
Regular.
Regular for you.
Yeah. No pollo. I'll eat hers. I'll take that.
is my home for the next few days. I have made it to Monteverde. The ride was very windy and turny, so I just needed to like close my eyes and fall asleep so I could avoid having to throw up from car sickness. But I made it here without having to do all that because I just went to bed. But here is my humble abode for my time. Just you know, bed and a bathroom, okay? But it's just beautiful views. I'm about to get some food and take a nap probably. I feel like I just want a nap. But yeah, it's really close to the downtown area, so it's actually chilly today. So I'm gonna put on a jacket and some pants. This is why I always pack clothes for no matter what the weather might be, like bringing a jacket and long pants, so that's good. Oh, it's probably because we're higher up that I feel a little chillier. But yeah, I'm gonna get me something. Oh, I'm by a bakery, which is really nice. But yeah, I'm just gonna get some food and kind of see what's downtown. I am really in the rainforest, okay? My tour begins now. It's self-guided, so I can just walk and explore the hanging bridges. There's 8 total bridges, so I will be up high. I'm definitely getting the feel for the environment because it's more rainy around Monteverde for sure. But I gotta save my breath getting up these stairs. But I'm excited and it's very peaceful. This is so high up. Look at all these trees and leaves. It's so pretty. Alright, so I just got back from the hanging bridges experience. Walking up those stairs. Back in my villa. I'm about to order some food and probably read or take a nap. Either way, nothing necessarily on the agenda after today's adventure, so decided to just relax and eat some food. Good morning. I am up bright and early for our Cloud Forest Reserve tour. So this is the entrance. So I'll be doing a cool little tour around the reserve today.
When they crash with the top of the mountains here, or they crash with the warmer winds of the Pacific side, so that winds will get cold over here, and then they will form the clouds. And then we have a the big bang of clouds on the top of the mountains. That's what we saw there. So it's always cloudy on the top of the mountains. Sometimes it's very cloudy, very foggy, they come down here, but most of the time it's just on the top of the mountains, and here can be clear. Later on, that big bang of clouds will start to condense a little by little, and they produce a rain. So it's a very light rain, but it's not a very poor rain, so it's very light rain. We call that rain, it's like a misting, so we call that rain pelo de gato. Pelo de gato means cat hair, so it's very light like a cat hair. So the cat hair keeps the forest always wet, and the forest is going to be always green.
First time in the city center since being here, actually. So just taking a little stroll around the area. Go to the supermarket before I go inside to take a nap. I was up so early today. But it's pretty cool to be down here. having a little car troubles here, trying to get to Manuel Antonio. But you know, just have some patience is all. I'm sure everything will work out soon. I'm glad I ate and had a lot of water on me because that was definitely necessary to help with the engine cooling down. So I had a nice gallon that helped us get to the gas station at least. I thought we were on our way after the gas station stop, and then literally 2 minutes after we started driving, the car overheated again. Then luckily someone showed up. He was a mechanic, and then 2 other people showed up too, so to help. I think one of them went on the bicycle to go to a store to get some like fluid. I'm most likely gonna get dropped off at a bus station because it's about 2.5 hours from Manuel Antonio, and the way this car is acting right now, I'm not sure if it's gonna make it that far. So here's my next Airbnb. Yes, I finally made it. It has been a 7-hour day for me. Like, I just am finally at my location. It's a nice like 360 patio. I'm gonna come sit out here and journal. It has been an overwhelming day. Of course, I intended to like, you know, go to the beach today. Ugh. But that's not happening. I'm just gonna chill out. Like, it's just been a long day. Like, I spent 2 or 3 hours on the side of the road trying to help my first driver with his car, and that never worked, so I had to kind of just transfer on out to a different car. It's just been a really long day. I'm over it kind of, but you know, just glad I made it here safely. Good morning from Manuel Antonio. I had such a beautiful morning. Like, I woke up exactly like around 8:20 or something. So I know now, or actually I've been knowing, but a full 8 hours, like a full 8 hours, not from when the time I'm like trying to go to sleep to when I'm asleep. Like when I'm sleep to waking up, it's about 8 hours. So I woke up to this beautiful view. And I was just like, wow. First I was like, where am I? Like, I was like all I could see was like the trees and the sky and then like the water in the background. Like, it just felt like a beautiful dream. Like, I loved it. And then I did yoga while I was laying down. And then I saw monkeys when I was brushing my teeth. Like, it was just a cute experience. I was like, wow, this is so nice. But yeah, this is my Airbnb in the morning time. It's a 360 balcony view. Wow, look at this. So last night I ate my dinner out here on this hammock before I saw a gecko. There's so many geckos, I guess. You know, I was like, got more used to it this morning than last night. But I love this. It's a cute treehouse, pretty much. So I was just staying here for one night. I'm glad I did because it was a nice experience. And then I'm getting ready to check into my resort. So I'll be staying at Parador Resort and Spa. It's like 5 minutes away, but first I'm about to eat because I'm so hungry now. Okay. Here I am. Here is my birthday resort location. This is looking really good. All right, this is great. Up nice and early, about to eat my food and relax, okay? This is muy bien. Like, I am very pleased. There's so much favor around me because apparently the park, the last time I get the tickets is 2:30 and I got to the ticket booth at 2:33. I'm actually glad I did because then they said to ask the park ranger so I could get in. So when I got to the gate, I was telling him like, oh no, like it was 2:33. I really want to see the park. So he let me go in because actually the park closes at 3 apparently. So I get to go look at it real quick because it's pretty much my last full day besides my tour tomorrow. So I wouldn't have that much time to check it out tomorrow. So anyway, I get to finally come see this destination. And I got to get it for free, yes! I love good things happening. Amen, amen. Wow. I made it! Yay! Okay, I finally made it to Manuel Antonio National Park. This really is a beautiful beach. Wow. This is just amazing. Alright, so welcome to my suite. Ooh la la. This is nice. This is nice. Literally, like, get into any hotel and you gotta say, this is nice. Feliz cumpleaños a mí. Today is my birthday. Woo! I'm officially 26 today. Happy birthday to me. I'm just feeling so relaxed and at peace. Like, I feel really good. I can feel the breeze. I'm just about to eat breakfast. Perfect timing before my tour starts in about 20 minutes. So I have enough time to eat and look out at this beautiful view. Like, this is so... All right, buenos dias. It is the morning of my birthday. I'm here at the, I guess, orientation spot for the tour I'm going on. I'll be doing an ATV ride through the mountains and then ending in a waterfall, so that'll be super refreshing. It's a nice, relaxing, peaceful day today. I'm 26, doing what I love to do, and that's travel and doing something fun, so enjoying my time. Alright, so I swam a little bit in there and now it is time to go back. That was very fun and very refreshing. Oh, thank you guys! Yay! I'll make my wish.
Alright, there you go.
Yay!
Right there. Awesome.
I was so surprised when the tour organizers walked out with the birthday cake. It was so sweet. I thought that was such a great surprise. It was so good too. So yay, I got, you know, some birthday cake and a birthday song for my birthday, on my birthday, because it's my birthday. But yeah, it was so good, and I just had such a good time doing the ATVs. Like, oh, it was all in the mountains, the splashing, the mud, going fast. So that was really the best way to spend my birthday. So definitely enjoyed that. And this lunch was absolutely amazing. The waterfall was beautiful. Like, I'm just literally enjoying my favorite things on my favorite day. I am so full, but that was so sweet to have a little birthday cake. It was so cute. So guys, do the Real Adventures in Manuel Antonio. It was really nice and so sweet of them to celebrate my birthday with a nice cake. That was really nice. Happy birthday to me. This is so cute. Feliz cumpleaños. Look at that. That's so cute. Happy birthday, Deja. And I got a little cupcake. Yay! What a great surprise coming back into my hotel today. It was just a great day. Like, I'm having a good time. This is just an amazing day. As it's about to set, the sun's about to set, I'm gonna go outside and swim in the beach. But I am just having a great time. It is just a wonderful day. Yes, it is. All right. The birthday girl is stepping out now. Hey, hey, hey. Okay. About to go get a bite to eat. But okay, hello 26. It's giving, ooh, it's giving curves. It's giving excellence. It's giving bam. Okay. Okay, here I am. I'm at Ronnie's place now. I literally made it here like 7 minutes before the kitchen closed. I don't know what I was doing. Well, I was getting ready and taking pictures, of course. Anyway, about to enjoy some food. It's beautiful weather right now. There's really nobody here. Well, just kidding. There are people here. But barely anybody here. Which is fine with me because I could just be cute and enjoy my time here. I'm just feeling good, looking good. This is 26. Okay, happy birthday to me. In conclusion, this was literally the best birthday ever. I had such an amazing time, from ATV riding to swimming in the waterfall to swimming in the pool to getting dressed and looking cute and going to the restaurant and getting some amazing food. I had a lovely time. Super happy to be turning a new year and just loving life. Everything is good. Life is good.